Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to download EasyShip application on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and then go to the search box at the top and type in EasyShip and search. Look for this application from EasyShip Inc. and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. EasyShip is a popular cloud-based shipping software solution specifically designed for business, particularly those involved in e-commerce. It offers features like comparing shipping rates from various carriers, generating shipping levels, managing customs paperwork, and much more. Wait for the application to download and install and you will be able to download EasyShip application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.